The following video you are about to watch is for your entertainment purposes only. I do not recommend investing in anything you see in this video. The following video contains my opinions, my deposits, my profits, my losses, and my results only. If you are looking for financial advice, please consult a licensed financial advisor. Thank you. Okay, so I know I haven't done a video in a long time, and most likely you just saw a disclaimer. But basically, this is what's going to happen, right? So this is BitConnect, right? So a month ago, I recorded some videos explaining this, but I do apologize. YouTube actually had banned me from posting videos because there were a few sites that I called a scam, like Crypto Daily, and there was another one, and they went into my videos, the ones that show that they were not paying, and they flagged them, saying that basically that I was the scam artist and trying to scam people into watching my videos just so that I can, I guess, benefit financially from them. Um, basically saying that they weren't scams. They were just, it was just me saying they were scams just so that I can benefit. So I wanted to just get that out the way, right? So I'm just gonna start off by saying definitely like, subscribe, comment, share. It's been about 4 weeks since I posted a video, so I do think you guys were hanging in there, and waiting. And the new subscribers, I do thank you guys. And I have like over 80 people in our chat now. So definitely join our Telegram group. It's down at the bottom. It's our village. It's where we kind of discuss a lot of things. I mean, ICOs. We even discuss HYIPs like that, and as well as like these type of sites here. So what I'm gonna do is, you guys see here, I invested $500, right? $490 I invested into this website about a month ago. So what happened was, I invested, but I couldn't actually do anything, so I had to wait. So I did 170, and I did two something, 290, and then I did a couple tens. So the reason why I did that, and I'll show you guys, actually, I'll just show you guys. Things underneath extras and numbers. So I'll just show you guys really quick my thinking process of why I did $500, right? So there was this little thing here that I watched on every single person that joined this website. Every single person had this, and what they were talking about was, if you just put in the minimum, which was $100, right? And that $100 you let sit for, let's say, 3 years, which is ridiculous because nothing's gonna last 3 years. So if it does last 3 years, that's awesome. But let's just say 730, that's 2 years. You'll be making $590 a day. Okay, that's a day, right? So I'll explain this website a little bit more. But basically, the way I thought about it was, if I'm going to wait that long, I might as well invest a little bit more. There's no real benefit in investing more. I thought there was a benefit because of the simple fact that I thought you actually get some of the coins as well. So I went out and actually bought 5 coins of BitConnect, and I thought, oh look, I got 5 BitConnect coins. I'll use those 5 BitConnect coins to, when they grow, my money grows, and I also get this interest of 1% a day. So that's what my thinking was. It's on average about 1% a day. So I'll just change this to 1 so you guys can actually see. But here's what I make about a day, right? So it's about 1%. So it does like 0.9, sometimes it's like 1.4. So again, it averages about 1% a day, and I'll show you guys where to find that at. But basically, I'm gonna reinvest $10 a day, minimum $10 a day. So I thought about it, like, how far can I actually go before I start making about $500 a day. So I put in 500. I want to make back 500, and as you guys can see here, it's about 464 days. If I do 0.9, it was about 530 days. So it's about 500 days, give or take, as you guys can see. 30 days forward, 30 days back, give or take 30 days. It's about 500 days from me being able to put in 500 to being able to withdraw $500 a day. So you guys can see here, right? So that's if you have $50,000 inside your account. Total, I think on the right hand side is $100 and something thousand for the year is what you'll be making if you just kept on withdrawing the money. So, and it says referral. I don't really look at it as I'm probably gonna get a bunch of referrals. I don't know what this actually means, honestly. The $35. I don't expect me to get any referrals, so hopefully that's not adding that in there, because that would definitely skew the numbers a little bit. So anyway, I just wanted to kind of break that down. I don't see it adding it in there, so I think we're good. So basically what I wanted to do was I just wanted to break that part down. So that's why I joined. I did join for two different reasons. I did see one benefit of it was having the coin, and I'll probably show you guys in a different video when I explain this site a little bit better. And then I did see the benefit of reinvesting every day and getting 1%. So again, that was my thought process. So I decided to join. I'm at about $500. So what I want to do is I wanted to reinvest all of it to show you guys what it looks like to reinvest all of it. But I actually don't want to do that anymore. The reason why is because there's other sites, as you guys can see up here. There's 3 other sites that I'm actually going to be joining in a little bit. So what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to withdraw $50. So I'm going to show you guys how to withdraw from this site. I'm going to withdraw $50, and then I'm going to reinvest 20. So I'm going to show you guys the 2 things. Now we're going to do this as we're learning, because I have not done this website in about 18, 19 months. I did it on, last time I did anything was on August 19th. The reason why is because once I got banned from YouTube, on the 20th, I actually lost my phone. So on the 20th, when my phone disappeared, it got damaged at first, and then I switched phones with my son, and then I lost my phone. So once it got damaged and I lost my phone, I wasn't able to do this anymore. So I wasn't able to reinvest because BitConnect wasn't responding to any of my emails, and all the emails on the website at support at BitConnect.com and support at BitConnect.co, all of them were not responding back. All of them showed that they were fake emails. So the 19th was the last time I was able to log in, and I was able to reinvest, and then on the 20th everything happened. So yeah, so let's go down here, right? So you guys can see here, we have lend/reinvest, right? So lend means that you're going to lend them your coins, okay? Meaning that, or your money, meaning that whatever money you have in your coins, you're gonna say, this you can have. So that's basically what you're doing. So you're giving that to them, saying you can have this money, and then what they're gonna do is they're going to reinvest it. So if it's buying more Bitcoins at a cheaper price and then reselling them at a higher price, whatever the case may be, they're going to do whatever they do with the money, okay? We don't know what it is. I haven't asked. I don't really care, because so far so good, right? This site's been up since January 14th, and it was 14 cents for each coin. Obviously, if you invested $100, $140 in each coin, $140, you would have like 1,400 coins, whatever it is, 14,000 coins. And I'm sorry, 1,000 coins, I think it is. And you would have a lot more money if you just left it at that than if you were to reinvest the 1% a day. So again, another video is coming to re-explain that part, for you guys who are not in, but most of the people that are watching this video are most likely in. Okay, so after the time period, you get that money back too, just so we're all clear. So the 500 that I put in, after it hits 180 days, all right, so let's just go to lend BitConnect, right? So I want to show you guys. So when you first originally send them money and you give them money, you have to pick a time period, right? Which is 299 days if you only putting in less than 1,000. So 100 to 1,000. Minimum is 100. Okay. I put in 270 and 170, whatever it was, right? So 299 days is how long I have to wait before I can see my money back. If anyone, which is not going to be me, but I'm just putting this out there, if anyone was to put in over 1,000 to 5,000, you get your investment back at 230, plus they give you 10% a daily for a day, right? So that's like kind of where you want to be at. You really want to put in that 1,000, personally, if you were to want to invest. But I'm just, again, putting this out there that if someone was to do that, that's kind of the better benefit of all of them. I don't see anybody benefiting too much from $5,000 other than the fact that it would move faster. Give me 1 sec. Okay, so basically, I don't really see too much of a benefit of the 5,000 to 10,000. I also don't see the same thing in 10,000 to 100,000, right? And the only reason why I say I don't see the benefit is just because it's a lot of money that you're risking on. You're pretty much betting on this site being around forever. The only reason why 10,000 would be a benefit is because technically you'll be making about $100 a day, and then after only 4 months you'll get your money back. That's the only way that would be a benefit. And to be honest with you, I really don't see it being too much of a benefit, only because of the simple fact that, like, what if this site goes down? You know what I mean? So my thinking process is just, you know, for me personally, I'm just gonna put in what I'm willing to lose, and I advise that to everyone. If anyone was to invest in anything, put in what you're willing to lose. Let's just say you were putting it in and you knew tomorrow it could be gone. How bad is that going to be for you? That's kind of how I looked at it. So that's how you originally invest, and that's how long the periods are. So to reinvest, you click on reinvest, obviously. So what you want to do is you want to pick an amount that you want to reinvest. So we'll show you here how much you have, right? And then it will also show you here how much you have left over from the last time you reinvested, right? So if these two amounts here, this amount here and this amount here, if those two amounts together equal $10, you pretty much click on the bottom one and the top one. Okay, so since mine does not, it doesn't actually matter that I clicked on the bottom one or the top one, because it's going to send over, it's going to send me back 279. So it doesn't look at it like, okay, let's get rid of the leftovers and then start adding into it. So it doesn't really matter. So what I'm actually going to be doing is well, I'll just make this a 2 because it's actually going to be $20. Okay, so $2.79 will be put back into my my leftovers. Okay, so $20 total will be invested, so $2.79 will be put into the leftovers. So when we press reinvest, right, as you guys can see, successfully reinvested $20. Now I should have a total of like 50 and some change, right? So $50 and $52.79. Okay, so the way you remove the money, and again, we're learning as we go along because I haven't done this in a long time, is I believe you have to put it into Bitcoins. So let's click on here just to get like an idea. Come on. If you click on this little, there we go. Okay, so click on the orange 3 lines. It should send you here. So now, this is kind of where we are. Let's see. And what we want to do is we're going to figure out how to get the money that I have and turn it, into actual coins. So, this is how much I have in BCC. But where's my actual money? Again, I do apologize. Okay, so I think I have to do transfer first. This thing took forever to pop up last time. Okay, cool. So we're gonna transfer the $50. Okay, so transfer to BitConnect wallet, right? And you see how much I'm paying the fee on that. It's about $3. So what we'll do is we'll just do all. We'll just transfer all of it. It doesn't really matter. That $2 isn't gonna make a difference in my day. So we'll transfer all of it. Click on transfer, and we'll confirm that we're buying. It says 0, so whatever. So we'll click on confirm. All right, so now I have that amount in BCC. See it right here? So this is how much I have in BitConnect coin, money-wise, right? So then I believe I click on exchange right here in the middle. Let's just click on it to see what happens. Okay, so estimated asset value is 0.01, right? So this is the reason why I'm transferring it out, because I want to use it for a couple other sites that I saw. So to do that, we have to say here. Okay, so to do that, what it wants to know is, what do you want to purchase at? So since Bitcoin Connect is its own exchange, it has an exchange on here, so it shows you what people are buying it for. Okay, so as you notice, somebody has a whole Bitcoin. Let's see if I can highlight it. Okay, so someone has a whole Bitcoin for sale at this price. All right, so this is the bid, this is the size of it, and that's the total in Bitcoins, I believe, right? It's the size of it in BCC, and that's the total of it in Bitcoins. So what you want to do is, if you want to put in that bid, like if you're saying, okay, listen, these are the people that are buying. So I think there's sales offers on the bottom. So if I wanted to buy at 2966 right here, I'm sorry. If I wanted to buy at this price, 2966, blah, 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 blah. I click on the little minus sign on the right hand side, on the left hand side. never mind. So you want to add to the buying orders, I guess. So these are the buying orders, and then these are the selling orders. So if I click on the plus sign, it brings me to the buying orders. So now I am at the same price as the guy, another person. So now my total will actually come in at 0.04, right? Bitcoins, right? Just make sure. Sorry guys, again, I haven't done this in a while, so it's a little new. Estimated value of one Bitcoin Connect is 0.01. Oh, this is Bitcoin, BitConnect coin. How much will I be getting in Bitcoins? Oh, okay, there we go. I'll be getting in Bitcoin 0.11. Okay, so that made sense. I'm sorry, it didn't make any sense. What happened was, because I clicked on the plus sign, it put in that entire order. As you guys see that entire order there, it put that entire order here. But I don't have that much. That's why it got kind of confusing. See, I don't have that much. So what you have to do is you have to click on the all button. And what that will do is it will pull up how much you actually have, and then it will say this is how much you're gonna get. And then once you click on sell, I confirm it's been placed. And this is where I'm gonna stop the video because we have to wait till it gets fulfilled. I believe my orders are open orders down at the bottom. Order history. And let's see. Bitcoins. I have this much in Bitcoins. Look at that. It fulfilled already. All right, cool. So then I'll do a withdrawal. See how I have that in my Bitcoin wallet. We'll go to, and I do apologize, this is sideways, and I do apologize, this video is super long. And then what I'll do is receive, copy, scroll down. Oh, oops. What happened? I thought I clicked on withdraw. Making me re-sign back in. I don't get it. Sorry, I was sideways for a while. I don't get why I did that. Why does it keep bringing me back here if I'm trying to withdraw? Oh. I guess. All right. Sorry about that. Again, we're both learning at the same time. So, I don't have a code card. But let me stop the video, and then I'm going to just do my withdrawal. Okay, so there was a portion where I was showing you guys something where basically I had put everything to my Bitcoin wallet. I transferred it all back to BitConnect wallet because I'm actually looking to put it all back in. I found money in my BitPatit. I may add some of that video towards the end, but the video just kind of got long, so I didn't want to make it too long. But yeah, pretty much I'm gonna try to give more information. I'll show you guys how to do a lend once I get up to a certain amount. Let's do a transfer from lending wallet to that. So we'll do all. There's a fee on it of 0.03. Oh, there's no fee. Okay, so we'll do transfer. Confirm. And then now we have to wait until I'll show you guys, because you cannot reinvest from that wallet. So let me show you that. So when you press reinvest, see what it says invalid. Ensure that your lending wallet does have sufficient funds. So from this wallet here to this wallet here, I cannot actually add funds. All my funds are stuck in this wallet here. Okay, so until I get $100 worth, so right now I'm at, so once I get $100 worth, 100, okay, that's 0.723. Once I get to that number, which is $100 worth, then I'll be able to invest another $100. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just gonna wait. I make about $5 a day. About, as you guys saw, I made $4.95 yesterday. I make about $5 a day, so that will probably take me an additional. Let's see. Let's take this number. We'll copy it and we'll multiply it times what BitConnect is worth now. 1138 times this number. Okay. 138 times. So it's worth $59. Okay. So once it goes up from the $59, what I'll do is it gets to 100. I'll show you guys how to add money. Most people that are watching this are probably already in BitConnect. Most people that are watching this are probably just curious or are part of my team, and you guys just kind of watch my videos. So I don't expect a lot of views on this, and I don't expect any people to sign up. I just kind of look at it as like me keeping track of what I'm doing. So I'm not telling you guys to sign up or anything like that. My referral link is at the bottom if anyone does. But if you have any questions, definitely comment them down below. I'll try my best to get back to you guys within 24 hours. And definitely, if you guys have any questions about this or any other website on my videos, 100% definitely message me through Telegram or join our chat. Our chat has a lot of people in there that are actually very informative, very very smart, and they actually have a lot of money in other things as well. So if you're new to Bitcoin or if you're new to investing, I think that the chat is a great place to start. So if you guys have any questions, definitely message me through there, or definitely join the chat or comment below. All right, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Okay, so this is pretty much like I guess you can consider as like the second part of what you just saw. Basically, I was trying to withdraw the money. It does say it takes 3 days for me to get my power card, but then I noticed that I had money in BitPatit, so I withdrew the money from BitPatit instead to try to fund the other websites that I was trying to fund. So I pretty much was just trying to do more than one video, just so that, because there was 2 other websites that I didn't see any videos on or anybody doing videos on. So I decided to do 2 videos on them, because one of them's not that new and one of them is very new. And I just kind of wanted to see if they were paying out. 5% is a lot. So one was 5% and one was 3.6%. So here we are. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to transfer this back, right? So we'll press exchange. It went up a little bit. And I think Bitcoin value stayed about the same. It was about this yesterday. I don't know the exact number it was, but what we'll do is we will say, I think that's how you do it, right? You click on exchange. Again, guys, we're all learning at the same exact time. So what I have available is this much in Bitcoin, and then we got to get it down to Bitcoin Connect, right? So if we do all, so this is the last purchase order was at this price, right? So this is the bid, the last bid. I don't know what that means, but we're just gonna press it anyway. So we're gonna do last bid, and then we're doing all. So if you just click all right here, Let's see if I can highlight it without it looking weird. But right here where the arrow is, if you just click all, that will tell you, that will put all your Bitcoins in one basket. So this shows me, okay, I'm going to get 0.39. I think I am losing a little bit of money on this, but I'm going to get 0.39 in Bitcoin Connect, right? So I click on buy. I confirm the buy. Now it says it has been placed. Now, usually it goes down here at the bottom if it's open. So here it is. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you guys yesterday. So here it is, open, right? So we're at price-wise 0.029. And I do apologize, this video has probably gotten so long. But you see right here, buying orders, 0.029, right? 7616 is where we are, right? I believe 7616. That's this number right here. Okay, 7616, and then this will be us right here. We're part of this big order right here. Now I could have taken a loss on it and then just bought it at this number. But the difference between the two is 0.0000. How many zeros is that? 4 zeros and maybe a 2. So let's see. So what we'll do is take that in the calculator. 4650. Oops. 4650, and we multiply that times 0.0, and it's like 5 zeros. I think we'll just say 4 zeros and a 2. It's 93 cents. Okay, so we're gonna kill that order because at this point, it's too many people in that order. So what you can do has been canceled. So what I can do is I see this order. So someone's selling theirs at this number. What I do is I click on that number, click on the minus sign. Now that should put it all in here in the buy. Since I don't have that much, obviously, I can only click on all. So I click on all, and then that will fulfill me at that number. I'm going to lose a little bit, but it's set as like 9 cents. So it's not that much. So we click on buy. I do confirm. Plus at the same time, it would drive the price just a little bit up. So there it is, has been placed. We'll go down to the bottom and see if it's an open order. As you notice, it's not in my open orders. And then we go to order history. And there it is. Right? No, that's not it. Where is it at? Where's it at? Oh yeah, that is it. That's us on the 8th. On the 8th, that's our order.